that actually just brought up an idea that I had that I wasn't even going to talk about, but I'm going to bring this up. If you guys go to dippity.com, if you go to resources here, this is going to, you can download a free 30-day ebook about what to post on social media. This is something that you guys can just download and use right away. And this will at least give you some ideas to start putting out some content to get the wheels moving. I didn't even think about this, Randy, but they could definitely download, and maybe I can include this as well, but they can download this guide and get some inspiration on stuff to post as well.
Dippidi.com/guide. Easy peasy. Everyone can write that down.
Yeah, it's pretty simple if you just go to dippity.com/guides. But yeah, that'll also give you some inspo, and we made it kind of like a challenge to see how you can post these things. But again, be sensitive to the time that we're in. Of course, this was made pre-pandemic, so you may need to shift things around. Just be sensitive to what's going on in your respective areas. That's all.